Hello you guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. For the people new here, let me just quickly introduce myself. I am Ishneet Kaur and I am a professional makeup artist. Yes, I do this for a living. My channel is all about beauty, and if that is something that you're interested in, don't forget to subscribe because I don't want you to miss anything new or trending. Without taking much of your time, let the battle between the lip and cheek tints begin.
So we are going to start off with the Benefit Cosmetics Lip and Cheek Tint. You get 6 ml of product for around 1950 INR. It's got a lovely doe foot applicator which makes the application of the product easy. It is really lightweight, buildable, gives you that natural flush of color, something very similar to what Alia Bhatt wears, and we all have seen it all over the internet. This is how I personally like to apply the product so that I don't end up wasting too much product and the pigment shows up on my face. Instead of using the brush, I like to use my fingers. I will apply 2-3 drops, then I will let it sit for 2-3 seconds till I apply it on my other cheek. But if you have heavy foundation on, the applicator does pick up on the foundation. The consistency of the product is quite runny, and basically it's water-like. I feel like this tint does need little time for the pigment to transfer onto your skin. Honestly, if you don't believe me, watch this, how this works. I do the same when I apply it on my lips. I apply it normally first with the applicator and then leave it on my lips for a few seconds. Then I go in with my fingers and I blend it out. Now, after this, I either leave it as is, depending on my mood and where I am going, because I feel like this gives a very nice natural finish. It looks like you haven't applied anything onto your lips. Basically, like your lips are like naturally this beautiful and naturally this juicy and pink. Okay, let me just tell you 2 other ways I like to use this tint on my lips. If you don't feel like applying a lipstick and you still want to maintain a natural looking lip but still want that slightly extra factor, then I'd suggest that you go in with a lip gloss. If it is a lip gloss which has like some plumping properties or factors in it, it will look even better. In case you don't have a lip gloss, you can even go in with a lip oil. I think that will look amazing as well. And just look how juicy my lips look. Here's another way I like to use it. If you've had a long day ahead, what I like to do is I apply a lipstick on top of this tint. What this does is that during the day, if your lipstick is slowly coming off, the tint underneath is going to remain constant. So, in case your lipstick comes off completely, you still have a layer of the lip stain to give you that, backup color. Trust me, this stain does last. Okay, if you don't believe me, here I'm going to just wipe it off with a tissue and show you how my lips look. Just look at this. The stain is still there. I just love the fact that you can use this tint in so many different ways. Okay, moving on to Rare Beauty. This is how the outer packaging looks. The ingredients and all are mentioned on the side. It comes in a cardboard box, and this is a mini that has 3.2 ml of product in it. This mini is priced at 1600 INR at Sephora. The bottle looks nice and classy. It is not clustered with a lot of information. It just has the branding on the bottle, and below that is the shade name and how much ml of product is in it. Once opened, it has to be used within 12 months before the product expires. We have a lovely doe foot applicator here as well, quite similar to the Benefit tint. The texture is not at all runny, but instead it is more towards the creamier side. It is easy to work with, it is easy to blend into your skin. In fact, I love the formula. I love the fact that you have enough time to blend it into your skin before it dries down and leaves that blotch on your face. One side I'm going to apply it with a brush, and the other side I'm just going to blend it with my fingers to show you the difference. I'm going to apply 2 dots on my cheeks. Then, taking a fluffy brush, I'm just going to use tapping motions. I'm blending it into the foundation. Alright, you make sure that you don't rub it too much because it might end up giving you streaks or it could leave brush marks on your skin. So I've applied the same amount on the other side. blend, 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 blend it very nicely into your skin. In case there is any excess of product, I like to apply a little bit on my nose as well, just to give a little more color and more life to my face. Personally, my favorite method is blending with the fingers, is because I feel the brush absorbs most of the product and the pigment. Okay, just for fun, I am going to try this on my lips as well for the very first time in front of you. At first, I was very confused and I didn't like how it looks, but I think if you give it a little time to dry, it doesn't look all that bad. What do you guys think? Honestly, let me know. If you have a similar skin tone to mine, I feel like this shade, Encourage, will really suit you and it will look so beautiful on you. In fact, I feel someone with light to medium skin tone could also use it. Let's hop on to Bobbi Brown. When you compare the packaging, this has a very different packaging from the other two products we just spoke about. The shade we will be trying out today is Pink Punch. This comes in a tube packaging with a normal tube-like applicator. It is easy to remove the product from this, but again, there is no control on how much product will come out from the tube. This tube contains 10 ml of product priced at 2450 INR. Just look how glossy it is and how easy it is to just blend it into the skin. Oh god. I'm just gonna apply a little on my face and blend it out with my fingers. I really think, like, if you're not using powder brush, the best way to use a lip and cheek tint is with fingers. Oh god, do you see that? This blush is so freaking pigmented. Okay, I see I have applied too much. I personally don't like wasting product, so I am just going to apply a little bit on my lips as well. Next, I am going to go in with a stippling brush to just blend it out. I mean, so that I don't look like Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer. Okay, so this is the final look. This one is a little more pigmented than the rest. I guess I would probably wear this on an important occasion. It is more on the glossier side, I feel. I probably would not wear this alone on my lips. I would like to apply some lipstick on top because I don't think it has done a good job in covering my lips. I feel like my lips are a little bit pigmented, so I don't think it covers that.
I personally feel it depends upon the longevity, the texture, the consistency, and for that matter, even the price point. What is your personal preference? Hence, I have compared the products in detail for you guys so that it's easier for you to choose which one would you prefer. The Benefit tint gives you more of, like, you know, a natural flush on the cheeks. The Rare Beauty one is really pigmented. It doesn't look that bad on the lips as well, but like it does give you like a very rosy and dewy finish. And the Bobbi Brown tint, it is more on the glossier side and a little goes a long way, so you have to really be careful with that. So I mean, I think you get the gist of it. I would personally really love to know which product you have gone with. So if you can, just let me know in the comment section below. And in case I've forgotten to answer anything in this video, then please do ask me in the comment section. I will personally get back to you. And I'll see you in my next one. Bye you guys. I hope this was helpful.